Okay, so this is our workspace. This is the ribbon area. Okay, so first we will set the limit of our page. Is it visible? See, I am typing the limits. Okay, I had pressed enter. What is asking? To specify lower limit, lower corner of the lower corner. So I am giving command 0, 0. Enter. What is asking? Upper right corner. So I am giving 200, 200. Any value as per our requirement you can give it. Okay. So page have not changed. Page has been set, but it's not changed yet. So we go for the zoom. All. See, our page has been changed. You may see the bigger grid size. Okay. We can zoom in and zoom out through a scroll button also. Okay. Next, we just I'm doing with this. See, first of all, let's start how to draw a line. Okay. So we have already talked with the three types we can draw a line, or we can draw anything by first by giving the command. Like if I am giving a command lines. Okay. See, this is the line. It is asking us to specify first point. First point I am giving 50, 50. Okay. So you may see here. This is our 50, 50 point. Okay. So let me press F12. We do not need that cursor location. Okay. By F12, I have just switched off the cursor locations. Next, it is asking the specify next point. So next point, how we can give? By pressing tab, we can enter our cursor in this command line. Previously, my cursor was not there to write in the in this command box. So by pressing tab, I have just moved my cursor in this command line here. See how it is blinking. Next, we can give the value like anything we can give 100, t. So see, our line has been drawn. From here to here. Okay. This is by using the command. See, still our cursor have the same command. It already executed our command, but our cursor have still in this mode to execute the further the same command. So come out from this command, what we'll do? We'll press enter. By pressing enter, this is free from this command. Okay, we can choose any other command like this. Okay. See, by using the tool, I am drawing it. Okay. But you can press your mouse and you just drag it anywhere wherever it is required. Okay. You just click wherever you will click, it will draw a line. Okay. To come out from this, pressing enter. Next, first of all, we have a line command. So what do you mean by polyline command? It is also a line command, but what is the difference between both? one I have drawn by using line command, another I have drawn by using polyline command. Is there any difference? See the difference. If I am selecting this, one line will get selected at a time, okay. But if I am selecting this, the whole line will get selected at a time, okay. You got the difference? If we are executed any command on this, it will be executed on all the lines which we have drawn by using the polyline command. But when we have used the line command, just it will execute on only one line, okay. By pressing escape button, we can come out from the selection. See, one more thing, how to select an object. We have the mainly two types of selections here. One, I am pressing this and I will drag the mouse. Just I clicked one and drag the mouse. Whatever will come in this box will get selected. See, it is selected, okay, and we can execute anything. But if you will press it and drag it, your selection will be like this, okay. So we have the two different types of selections. One, you just click it and drag it, whatever will come under that sections, that will be selected. But when you just press your mouse and you will drag it, your selection will be like this, okay. Next thing, we have drawn this by using the line command, this by using the polyline command. If you are using the polyline command somewhere in the big drawing and we have to delete one line only, what we will do? If else we have to delete all the drawing. So we will go to the explode command, explode, okay. We have gone for the explode command. So it is asking select object. So I am selecting object, press enter. Now you can see it, all the lines has been separated, okay. So polyline is being converted into the line by using explode command, okay. So next, let me take the new page. Now come to the circle. We have various types of circles, like the first one, the center with radius. We have to specify the center and give the value of radius, so it will get drawn. See, if I am taking this point as a center for the circle, we can write the radius value like 10, okay. It has been drawn, but it is too small, okay. Since we have not set our page size. Now center with diameter, it is a similar one. We have to select the center and we have to go for the diameter value. Same as we have given the radius value, here we have to put the diameter value. Next, 2-point circle. For this, let me draw this and this, okay. I have created these 2 points. In between that, I have to draw a circle. So I have gone for the circle, 2-point circle, okay. By using this 2 point we can draw this circle. 3 point circle. Three-point circle. This is the first point. This is the second point, and this is the third point. By using this 3 point, we can draw this circle. Okay. Next, we have the tan radius, means tangent, and radius. For that, just let me draw. I have taken this 2 tangent line. Okay, between that, by using this 2 tangent and by using the radius value, we have to draw a circle. Means these 2 points should be the tangent for that circle. So I have drawn this. See what is asking. A specify point on object for the first tangent. This is our first tangent. This is our second tangent. Let me come again. This is our first tangent, second tangent, and radius value. Radius value what we can give? Like 50. By using this 2 tangent and radius value, we can draw like this. We may have the better view if we select this tangent again, this tangent, and specify limit radius value 100. Okay. Next, similar one, tangent. Between the 3 tangent line, we can draw a circle. Okay. Now come to the next one, next tool. We have the arc. Let me draw this first. Start, center, and end point. We have to specify this. Okay. For all the tools, the maximum thing will be specified here. As per your requirement, you can choose it. So we have various types of arc, like 3 point arc first. This is the first point. Let me use this as a second point, and this will be the end point. By using this 3, this one is the first point, second, third point. Okay. Next, we have a start, center, and end point. Go for the next page. Start, center, and end point. So I'm taking this as a start point. Next, it is asking for the center point. Okay. This I'm taking as a center point, and this will be the end point. Okay. If see one more thing. If this is a point, how we can identify its made point? Just go here, switch on the made point. Okay. Now take the line command. One more thing. Let me introduce this first. See here. Come to the next page. This is the grid. We can switch on or we can switch off our grid. See, now this is the blank page. Now this is the grid one. We can switch it on or off. Okay. Next we have snap mode, polar snap and grid snap, that we will see in while drawing the 3D if it is required. This one, this is the angular setting. See, it has been selected 19, 180, 270 and 360. Means if you are choosing a line command, if you are drawing a straight line, if you will move cursor, it will track the path only for the 90, 180, 270, 360 degree. And if you will select the another one like 45, if you are taking this line and if you will drag this, it will show you angle. Okay, it will show the by showing the green line, it will show you path. How much for this, like 45, next will be the 90, 180, like this, it will show like this. Okay. Next we have this toggle command. This is the 3D. For 3D view, see here 3 commands are there: isoplane left, isoplane top and isoplane right. By pressing F5 you can change your plane. I think it is not visible, the grid one. Is it visible? Okay. Next, this command is used to invoke anything, like we have to specify the end point, midpoint, center point, geometric center, whatever you will switch on the geometry. When you will go that, like if I am selecting the midpoint, if I will go this to the midpoint, it will show a green symbol. This is the midpoint, this is the end point, like this. Okay. And this snaps we will use in this in the 3D geometry. Next we have the rectangle and polygon class. So we will come in next class and we will see the remaining tool and we will draw some object. Thank you for the day.